Okay, I want all of you to take out your science textbook. Those who have, those who don't have, then you have my notes. But best you have my notes and your textbook. Ideally, ideally means bestly. All right. Okay. Now, all of you got your textbook in front of you. Give me thumbs up if you have. Dylan, Zen, Max, and waiting for Yishin. You have your textbook. If you have your textbook, give me thumbs up. Yishin 有吗？你的课本 Hello, hello. Yes, okay, good. Now, what's the time now? I give you 7 minutes. What we're going to do is, I want to run through chapter 1 and chapter 2. Yeah, but of course, I want you to keep reading and reading and reading. Because the more you read, the more information you absorb and you find the details of it. You all know the simple one already, right? The 5 class of animals, yes. But now I want to zoom in when you read this round, go into the details of it, know the words, okay? So I give you 7 minutes. You go through chapter 1 as many rounds as you can. The more round, of course, you remember, the better. All right, 7 minutes. That means 9, 12. All right, I will stop and then we will close chapter 1. All right, and then I'm going to ask a question based on that. Now, your time starts now. 7 minutes. Go. For Norway, who is watching the recording, please take a textbook and join in together. Go into the details. Every single detail I can ask anywhere from your textbook. If I want to make it harder, I can. Jill, how about the year? How about the name of the 1972? I don't know. If I feel like asking, then I can ask. But go into the facts first. Go into the factual ones first. 3 more minutes. Okay, done? Yes? All good. All right, now everyone close the book, put one side. Close the book, put one corner, put it far, far away. All right, let's start. Let me put all your names down. Who wants to go first here? Type me. You want me to put your name first? Type me. If not, I randomly choose. Anyone wants to go first? No, no one. Okay, anyone wants to go second? No one. Okay, anyone wants to go third? No one. Okay, four. Okay, so let's make it a little bit more fun today. Keep all your books ready. Confirm? Okay, keep ready. Okay, so let's test your memory. Okay, what you have learned, and then let's just test. And now, I have a list on my hand right now, a whole stack of power cards. All right, with different power lah, basically. Okay. Now, for you guys are Form 2, so I'll start with something simple first. Okay, very friendly power card. I will not go into the destroy cards yet. Destroy cards maybe later lah. Okay, for you guys, still new. You don't want to hurt your heart first. Okay, play friendly cards first. Okay, not like the 4-4-4-5 straight away they play the mean cards. So for you guys, play simple cards first, and then only we move on. All right. So ready? Now, to answer you have 15 seconds, 15 saat to answer. Okay? And to answer, you need to turn on your microphone to answer. Okay? You need your microphone to answer. That's the requirement. Yeah? Now, if not, alternative is you type it out, but when you type it out, it must be sent to everybody, not a direct message. Okay? Understand? If you type correct answer but send to me direct message, I will close one eye, I will not give you the marks. Yeah? But then again, by the time you type, it's too slow. 15 seconds not enough. You better unmute yourself and tell me. Yeah? So let's start with the first question. Zenyi. Close the book, Close the book, Okay. What is the word for... sorry, I'm going to give you guys... Everyone start off with 5 marks. Yay, got some points already. Okay, let's start. Ziggy, listen up. What is the word for this? The diversity of organisms, whether microorganisms, animals, or plants. What is it called?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. Okay, so in my hand, I have 4 power cards. Why don't you tell me which number you want and I'll draw for you. Number 1 to 4, just choose one.
Teacher, help me choose.
You choose lah, faster lah.
4.
4. Okay, 4 plus 2 to you, plus 2 to a group of your choice. So 2 marks to you, 2 marks to a person you want to donate it to. Who? B, C, or D?
D.
D, okay. Girl power. Okay. So next up, let's go to, let me reshuffle all the cards again. Okay, let's go to Max. Max, look here. Biodiversity has many importances. Actually, there's 6 different importance of biodiversity, right? Name me 2.
Education and medical.
Education and
Medical.
medical. Okay, choose 1, 2, 3, 4.
2
2. 2. 2 is double your points, so you get 10 marks. Wow! Oh my God, right? Okay. Next, we go to Dylan. Dylan. Biodiversity got six importance. 2 has been said. Education and medical. Name me 2 more.
Source of food and recreational place.
Source of food and recreational place. Okay, good. 1 to 4.
Did you shuffle?
Shuffle already. Of course I shuffle lah.
Some more.
Huh?
Shuffle some more. And then blow.
You not simply order the machine to do things as you like. Faster
Yeah.
just
Number 3 lah, number 3.
Huh? Number 3. Number 3 plus 2 to you plus 2 to a group of your choice.
They can don't lah.
Faster, you must.
Okay, plus 2 to max lah.
Okay. For now, you plus. Okay, later is the minus part. I will pull out the minus cards here. Okay, now let's try Yishin. Yishin. Okay, tell me what is this term? It's 2 words. Answer is 2 words. Dash dash. Listen, fill in the blank. Dash dash is a species that live in clusters within a habitat in a specific location. What is this? 2 words. Dash dash is a species that live in groups, live in clusters in a certain habitat in a specific location. Cannot. I know also some of you texting me direct message. Teacher, I want to answer. What? I can't hear you. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can or not?
Then how does she reply you?
She say what? I can't hear you. Okay. Yeah, Lord, then how you can reply me. Okay, listen one more time. Dash dash is a species that live in clusters that live in clusters in a certain habitat in a specific location. What is these two words? Oh, I've got time. I've got time you. Five. Can. Okay. Okay, you cannot hear me, then you watch the recording lah, huh? I also don't know how. Okay, now answer is endemic species. Yeah, endemic species. Can you hear me when I say endemic species? Hello, hello. Can you hear or not? Endemic species.
Yeah, what if you say endemic animal or something?
Cannot endemic species lah. Can you hear me, Yishin? When I say can you hear endemic species ma? Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, Yishin. Are you there? Can you hear me or not? Okay, we try one more round. Okay, we try one round. You cannot hear me, you let me know again. Okay. Okay, never mind. We skip this round. Let's go back to Zenyi. Zenyi, I memorized that. I need to memorize it now. Okay lah. Zenyi. Fill in the blanks. Dash is 3 words. 3 words. Dash, dash, dash. Listen carefully. Dash, dash, dash preserves the species in their natural habitat. Okay, again, dash, dash, dash is a method to preserve the species in their natural habitat. It's directly under the endemic species just now. What is this method?
Creating national parks, reserve parks.
No, no, no. So this method is called what? Of creating a national park and reserve park. This method is called, 50 seconds, sorry. Answer is called in situ conservation. Okay, in situ conservation. All right, good try. Never mind. We learn. So you learn more with mistakes. Good. I want you to make even more mistakes in this class so that you remember this in your exam. Okay, Max, let's go. Max, too easy for you. That means I have to increase the difficulty level for you, really.
Yeah, teacher, give him destroy card.
Not yet, not yet. Later, later, later will come. Okay, later. Okay, now, Max, these two animals, okay, tell me two similarities between these two animals. Two similarities between these two animals.
Without segment body.
Sorry?
Without segment body.
Without segmented body and
Without leg.
without legs. Okay, can I accept? All right. Without segmented bodies, without legs, without backbone, invertebrates also can. Yeah, great. Choose 1 to 4.
3.
3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Plus 2 to you, plus 2 to a group of your choice. Who would you want to
Plus
give
2
it
to Dylan.
Yeah, helping each other. Okay. Never mind, girls. Later you can group together. Now, let's go to Dylan. Deforestation activity, okay, destroys biodiversity. Yeah. Give me one importance of deforestation. Why is there a need to deforest? Oh,
This one, okay, to clear out the place to build buildings.
okay. Can to clear out the place to build buildings, to build homes, to build hospitals for development, for education, for hospitals?
And
Yes.
to clean the leftover of the forest after cutting down.
Choose a card.
Number one.
Number one. Why you keep getting? I shuffle already. You like to get this same card or not?
Same ah.
Plus two to you, plus two a group of your choice. Go.
Yeah, max ah.
You guys are stacking each other's cards. Okay, Yishin, okay or not? Can you hear me? Can you wave your hand at the camera? Yishin, can you wave your hand at the camera? Okay. Camera 看不到你的 face 嘞。哎。Okay. Yishin. Okay lah. I give chance lah. Huh? Give me too short. Too short. Too short is next time sit on the high chair. Okay, Yishin. Give me two characteristics of the class fish. Fish, give me two characteristics of fish. Go.
Poikilothermic and lay egg.
Poikilothermics and lay eggs. Good. Choose 1 to 4. Shuffle.
1.
See, I'm not choosing. I'm just shuffling cards one. Okay. Choose 1. 1 plus 3 to you. Plus 1 to others. Wow, everyone say thank you. Okay. Last round of friendly cards before I bring in the not so friendly cards. Okay. Zenyi, back to you. So you better stack
Go.
up your cards.
Gambling, teacher.
Huh?
This is like gambling.
This is no lah, gambling we got. Gambling, there's a higher chance you lose. Okay, so the odds are against you. Okay, you study probability, you should know. All right, so Zenyi. Give me two characteristics of amphibians. Sorry, wait. You cannot use this answer. Okay, give me two other characteristics of amphibians besides poikilothermic. Go.
Undergo external fertilization and body covered in moist skin.
Okay, good. Already cincang already. Okay, good, very good. 1 to 4, go.
I don't have any luck. Just help me choose one.
Okay. Plus 3 to you, plus 1 to others. What is it, luck? I mean, luck one mention.
I just gave it to Yishin.
So I should I give your 3 to other people also?
No.
Okay.
Better give me 4 marks.
Okay, now let's go to let's go to Max. Max. Give me two characteristics of reptiles besides poikilothermic.
Produce lay eggs.
Produce eggs. Produce eggs, lay eggs. Okay, 1 point. Some more.
External fertilization.
External fertilization. Okay. Incorrect. Okay. Snakes. External is only for fish and amphibians. Internal is everyone else. Okay. Fish and frog only they release their sperm and ovum out. Okay. Everything else joins body. Okay. So enough marks lah. You give each other too much marks already. Dylan. Can? Differentiate. Give me difference. One difference only between moss and fern.
One has reproduced with the spores.
And then the other one?
The other one is reproduced with the hell was that? No, no lah.
Reproduce spore is, and the other one is reproduce using cones. Cones is under conifer. These two reproduce using spores. These two reproduce using spores. So the only one difference that separates them is this word called vascular, and moss is non-vascular. Okay? Then I have to give you these fine-tuning questions, okay, for you. All right. So it looks like this round, a lot of damage done. Okay, let's go to Yixin. Yixin. Give me one difference between these two plants. You must use the word whereas, or you can use the word while. Okay, so give me one difference between a paddy plant and a mango tree. I want you to tell me about their roots. Go.
Paddy plants have non-woody stem, while mango tree has woody stem.
Okay, wrong. Your answer is correct, but my question is, I want you to talk about the roots. So 这个是 fibrous roots, 这个是 have roots. Okay, I said roots. Yeah, I said roots, right? Okay. Oh my God. Yeah lah. Oh my God. 紧张 is like that one. No. So stay calm. All right. So now, guys, let's move into the step. I'm going to introduce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to introduce 7 more cards on top of your 4 cards. So total we have 11. All right. Now this round, since all of you got so much marks, you guys actually have more than the Form 3s today. Form 3 after the end of the class, I'll probably left like 2 or 3 marks. Okay, ready. Let's start. Zenji, when is my birthday?
I do not know.
Just joking. Okay. Let's go. All right. Now, Zenji, listen carefully. What is this term called? 2 words. This is a method, these 2 words is a method used by biologists to classify and identify the animals and plants based on similarities and differences.
Dichotomous key.
Dichotomous key, correct. Dylan, how do you delete the message one? Can delete one?
Yeah, I swear I know the answer.
Oh, I know. I was just asking Dylan only. Wait, I got 11 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Choose one.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, 6. You got the good one like just now. Plus 3 to you, plus 1 to others.
I don't want to give the. what-
No, yeah. Okay. Now you don't want to give. Max. Malaysia got how many species of birds? Just joking. All right, let's look over here. Max. Tell me the similarity between tell me the similarity between these 2 animals. One only.
With leg.
Sorry?
With leg.
Yeah. Should have asked for 2. So easy. Okay, both have legs, fine. I have to stay true to my words. Okay, say 1 to 11, go.
7.
7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is plus 3 to you, -1 from others. All right, let's go. One only, okay. +3 to you. -1 from others. -1, -1, -1. All right. Let's go to Dylan. Dylan. Suggest one method to conserve turtles. The answer is not in C2, XC2. You have to
Yeah, I know.
suggest, yeah. Okay.
Put turtles in wildlife sanctuaries and wildlife, no, and marine park.
Marine park. Put them in marine park and wildlife sanctuary.
Yeah. Conserve it.
So
Like to
which,
protect it.
which one do you choose? If you choose one, the best one. Or turtle?
Wildlife sanctuaries.
Wildlife sanctuary. Okay, fine, can. Okay. The
Also,
best is actually carry. Sorry.
turtle hatcheries also can.
Yes, best answer is actually carry out turtle hatcheries. Yeah, it's the eggs that humans are stealing them away. So we need to have hatcheries to preserve the egg so that when they hatch, they go out. I don't want to keep them in a sanctuary for what? Because turtles don't belong here on land. There's no way to you have to let them out, right? So the best way is to take care of them, is to take care of their eggs alone. Once the eggs are taken care of, they are fine already. They have to live their own. Okay. So 1 to 11.
11 ah.
Yes.
Destroy card inside.
Faster. You want number what?
8.
Why you make me count until so far away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is someone woke up and chose violence. Remove any number 2 on the board except yours.
Wow, this one.
Wow, this one silent or this one. Oh. Okay. So all the 2 donated by Dylan just now gone already. This is just for games. Doesn't mean you're not smart. It is just a game, but I'm still taking note of the number of questions correct you answer. Okay, regardless of the points. Okay, now with this, I think everyone needs a short break. Okay, now the short break is chapter 2. Chapter 2 is slightly longer. I will give you 10 minutes to read up. No more friendship now if me and Lichi play this, correct? All right. So now it's 37. Come back by not correct. You have 10 minutes, no time to rest. Please study now. Okay. 10 minutes, chapter 2. Read as much as you can. You know what kind of questions I will ask. Actually, you don't know. So just go. Chapter 2, go. First round, go for target the easy ones first. And then once you got time, go for the second round, go into the part that is like, hey teacher, this part too detailed, have to study more. Do it for the second round. All right. All right, students, close the book, close the notes, put one side. Enough already, right? Okay, let's try this round. Who goes first? Okay, shall we go the other way around now? We sneak our way the other way around. Yishin, Dylan, Max, Zenji now. Okay? Why Zenji agree? Okay, same method. Let's go. First and foremost, let's start with Yishin. Okay, let's say. Plants are producers. What is the meaning of producers? Plants are producers. What is the meaning of producers?
Producer is an organism that can produce food through photosynthesis.
Okay, good. Okay. Card number?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oyo. Remove any twos across the board. So everyone else remove already. So Dylan can join the group now. Okay. Everyone else is safe. All right.
Hey,
Now,
then mine is like the lessest
the least. All right. Don't worry, don't worry. The points will come back. Things will surprise you with the cards. I tell you, there's a lot more very interesting ones in it. Okay, now Dylan, your turn. Mushrooms are examples of decomposers. What is the meaning of a decomposer?
It is an organism that breaks down dead substance of animals, and they are also known as saprophytism.
Break them into
Substance.
simpler substance. Good. Go now.
11.
Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 is the last card. +2 to you and +2 to the group of your choice.
Hey, this one is like, wow.
Give back to Yishin lah. Who?
Later someone violence me back and then I don't get that too again. Okay, Zenyu.
All right. Okay. Max, your turn. In a food chain, animal A arrow to animal B, arrow to animal C, correct? What does the arrow represent? What does the arrow
Transfer of energy.
Sorry?
Transfer of energy.
Very good. Transfer of energy or flow of energy. A lot of students put eaten by. It is the flow of energy. All right, go. Shuffle first. Let me shuffle my card.
11.
Huh? 11 is my last card, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. +1 to you, but -2 from a random group. Now, what is a random group? I have randomizer cards over here. Okay, we're going to do it in a zigzag manner. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if max is 0 is not here, then it's 1, 2, 3. It's always start from the top. Okay, so I'm just going to do randomizer. I'm just going to simply take one card out and flip group number 1. So which is Zenji. Congratulations. -2 from you. Okay, again, escape. Next up, let's go to Zenyi. Zenyi, make sure you get this one correct. Okay. Nutrient cycle got 2 types you learn. Got 3 types you learn. Water, carbon, and oxygen cycle. Correct? 3 different cycles over there. Okay. What is the name of this process? Water. What's the name of this process?
Respiration.
That is a plant, by the way. That's a plant. Water come out from the leaves.
Transpiration.
Transpiration. Actually, respiration also can, but water hardly come out from respiration. Actually, more specific, the better answer for exam is actually transpiration. Okay, great job. Card number.
The second card.
Second card, wait, let me shuffle. Second card, card number 1, card number 2. Remove any tools across the board. Why are you guys getting violent? Who else has two here? No one. Oh,
Okay.
sorry, Dylan. Okay. Now let's go back from the top, from the bottom. We go back to Yishin now. Yishin. Here. Humans. Out. Carbon dioxide. Sorry. In. Oxygen. Correct? What's the name of this process?
Respiration.
Respiration. Okay, correct. Draw a card.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two times your points. Double your points. Okay. Now, next up. Like that one. Okay. Dylan. Look at this next question carefully. Oops. Zeni, you better check. Make sure I don't accidentally delete all your marks out. Okay. Plant. Arrow. Okay. I'll just do like that. Okay. Okay, let's make it easy first, step by step. Okay. What is the name of this process?
Decomposing.
Sorry, say again.
Decomposing.
Process is called decomposing. Process, decomposing. Okay, fine. Decomposing accepted. Proper answer is decomposition. Okay. Card number?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since when this card went back inside when I thought I took it out? Still 4 marks from a group of your choice. Wait, if not,
Choose one. Teacher, choose one.
I cannot choose. You choose, it's okay, never mind. You attack later. They already attack you already. See, why don't you just either way, faster. Still
Okay.
4 only.
Okay, Yishin.
Okay. Alah, 4 marks only, she double her points already. Okay, now let's look over here. She said I don't have. All right, now. All right. Let's go on. Next, Max now. Okay, Max. Let's go to Max. Max, tell me what is this word? I'm going to tell you the points. You tell me what am I talking about this one. One word only. Different organisms live together and interact with one another. What is this thing called? It is when different organisms live together and interact with each other?
Community.
Community. Good. Choose one.
9 again.
9 ah. Why you lucky 9 ah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 3 to you plus 1 to others. Wow. Anyone say thank you, Max? Little Max pulls out. Remove all the ones across the board. Okay. Now, let's go to Zhenyi. Zhenyi. Tell me. Okay, this one. Ecosystem. Listen carefully. Okay, this is the detailed part of the textbook. Ecosystem is when different community live together. They interact with one another and with the surrounding. Correct? That is the meaning of ecosystem. Name me one ecosystem. There's so many ecosystems in this world. Name me one ecosystem. Is what ecosystem? So many types of ecosystem where animals interact with each other and with the surrounding. Name me one ecosystem. Is it getting harder? Yes, it can get harder. Oh.
Can I flip through the textbook?
No.
I
Just
don't know.
Just think of an area. What area do animals in? Name me one area where animals they interact with each other and interact with the non-living environment.
Tropical rainforest.
Tropical rainforest is an ecosystem. You know what I mean, right? River is an ecosystem. Grassland is an ecosystem. Desert ecosystem. Yeah, Ken? Okay, choose one card. Selangor cannot. Sorry, say what?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is times 2 to your group. Ooh. All right. Whoever draws -3 across the board. Okay, let's hope that doesn't happen. Now let's go to back to Yishin. Yishin, listen carefully. What is the name of this? It's an interaction between two organisms where one organism benefits, where the other organism is not harmed or no benefits. What is the name of this interaction?
Commensalism.
Spell commensalism correctly first.
COMMENSALISM.
Okay, correct. Okay, commensalism. Good. Card number?
6.
Yo, 6 maybe. Okay, let me shuffle first. Why you're like lucky 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove any 2s across the board. Don't have too bad. All right. So doesn't work for this round. So there's no 2s or no right. Everyone is 1, 3, 5. Okay. So oh, so sad. Okay, never mind. Let's go to Dylan. You're still leading one. Let's go to Dylan. Dylan. Okay. Why she should draw another card? What do you mean why she should draw another card? Cannot. Yeah. Sometimes it's like that one. Yeah, don't worry. Sometimes you draw the card, right? And then like powerless one. Okay, let's go to biological control. Yeah, I just gave the answer. Okay, never mind. In biological control, what can be read to remove snails and insects in paddy fields?
Sparrow.
I give you one more chance. He's talking his head already. Yes. What is rare in paddy fields to remove snails and insects?
Frog.
Okay. Answer is ducks. Okay. Donald Duck. Okay, remember, because I've seen too many of these questions and the standard answer they put duck. So remember, make sure you know it's duck. Okay. Okay. Never mind. The exam you get so much higher marks now. Now let's move to Max. Max, biological control is a way of controlling pests, correct? It's a natural, it's using natural predators to eliminate pests. Tell me two advantage of biological control.
Need longer time.
Advantage, okay. Advantage. Advantage of using biological control. Okay, guys, there are three advantages of using biological control. Whenever you think of biological control, just think of using owl to eat rats. What's the advantage? Cheaper, more environment friendly. You do not need to use pesticides, correct? Yeah, do not cause harm to human health because there's no use of pesticides. 明白吗? This one important also. Make sure you know the advantages and disadvantages of biological control. Okay, Zenyi. Wow, this round no one get anything, huh? Okay lah, so let's make Zenyi get the same thing also lah. Okay, all right. Now, Zenyi. Clownfish and sea anemone interaction is mutualism. Tell me how the sea anemone benefits from the clownfish.
Sea anemone protect the clownfish.
Okay, is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, wrong. Answer, listen carefully. How does the sea anemone benefit from this? Okay, it's not how the sea anemone help the clownfish. All right, so sea anemone receives nutrients from the clownfish in the form of waste products. Understand? So listen question, be very careful. Okay, true enough. Okay, 10 minutes before, I will inject 5 marks to every group. 3 marks. Okay. Now, I will open up for now anyone. So by the way, so do you guys want some medication for injury or not? Or you guys want me to play the friendly cards back, or you prefer okay? I have to check back Form 2 students. Are you okay? Don't cry, Okay, now let's come back to this one. Now is first person to answer the correct question. Now, in order to answer correct question, I don't want you to just simply type in your answer. I want you guys to type me. If you think, maybe you get ready your word ME there. All right. Once you press enter, then you will be chosen to answer. If you cannot answer, the second person who typed me, the second person in the list will get to answer that question. Okay, and then they get double of the marks. Okay, if the second person cannot answer, the third person with the me gets to answer and they get triple of the marks. And the last person type 4, they get 4 times of the marks. Okay, every question is 2 marks. Okay, now let's start. So whoever gets me first, you have to answer already. Okay, all right. Look at this diagram over here. Okay, let's just make it like that. Okay. What is the name of this process? Dylan, type me first. What's your answer?
Respiration.
You sure it's not decomposition?
Respiration.
Respiration is the correct answer. Why is it not decomposition?
Decomposition release carbon dioxide.
Then also what?
But the arrow is pointed from the plant.
Okay, correct. Okay, remember just now when Dylan answer, the plant point to this one release carbon dioxide, correct or not? So when plants goes through something before carbon dioxide, this is decomposition. Understand? But if the plants go directly to carbon dioxide, this is respiration. 明白吗? Okay, so good, 2 marks to you. Next up, let's reset for everyone. Reset. You so fast. Time flies so fast. Next up. Okay. I got 4 answers here. You choose one. Okay, I got 4 answers over here. These are the activities that human has been doing to destroy or the activities of human activities, the activities of humans that cause destruction to the ecosystem, to the environment. Now, choose the best answer for this. This method called 5R is reduce, recycle, refuse, recover, repurpose, and reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, and refuse. 5. All right. 5R is made or is introduced to tackle which of these 4 problems? Choose the best answer. Zenyi, go.
Waste disposal.
Correct. 5R is to target waste disposal. Recycle, 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 all is under waste. Okay, good. Next up. Second. This method, biological control, is to tackle which problem? Dylan.
Agriculture.
Agriculture, correct. Because why? Why target agriculture?
What again? You rub the whole thing.
Why do you say?
Oh, biological control, because agriculture is an ecosystem, and the biological control can control pests, the crop. But I answer the question correctly.
You answered the question correctly, but if I were to ask you to explain, I give you 2 marks now. But if I were to ask you to explain why biological control targets agriculture?
To increase the population.
No. Okay, I'll open up to this question to anyone, okay, who types me. How does biological control help in agriculture?
First, pesticides and fertilizers cause pollution.
Half wrong, half correct. You're not really answering the question. You're throwing both words in. I want a specific answer. Anyone? How biological control helps in agriculture, tackle the problem related to agriculture. When you use biological control, what do you use? You use animals to remove pests, correct? When you remove pests, that means you do not use what?
Pesticide.
Pesticides. When you do not use pesticides, because agriculture is using a lot of pesticides. Biological control is to fight the use of pesticides by using, instead of using pesticides, we use our. Understand? Nothing to do with fertilizer. Listen, 没有肥料. So you have to be very specific. Biological control is to reduce the use of pesticides in agriculture. Understand? Can? Drill that inside the head. All right. Now, one last question. I think we pretty much covered a lot of this chapter already. Yeah. There are three factors in the experiment. So fast. Wait. 3 factors that determine, okay, basically how animals are distributed. That means how animals are spread in an area, okay, is decided by 3 factors. Name me 2 of the 3 factors. This is the experiment 1. Type me if you know the answer. Or you wait for your friend to type me to answer wrongly first. Okay, Dylan. Okay, so the cue starts already. Dylan, go.
Repeat the question, teacher.
Okay, so distribution of organisms. That means how animals are distributed, how animals are whether more or less in a certain area. Okay, that is called distribution. Animals more or less in the area, it depends on 3 factors.
The presence of food and water.
Listen carefully. Okay, these factors are non-living components. Remember, in an ecosystem, living component like us, animals, we depend on the non-living. Name me 3 non-living factors that determine whether we live there or we do not live there.
Rock, soil, water.
Actually 2 only. Okay. Yeah, I just take 2 of your answer, but still wrong. Let's go to another person. Slide down to Yixin. 4 marks.
Temperature, humidity.
I hear paper flipping. Is that your textbook?
No.
Okay, temperature and humidity. One more?
What
is wrong?
Like.
Okay, so it's temperature and humidity, these 2 only. Okay, these 2 out of these 2 only you need. So these 3 are the 3 factors that determine whether how animals are distributed. Okay, these are the non-living factors. Okay, so I hope you guys have learned enough today already, read through enough already, and so now you know more things in the textbook. You may use this one and ask your friends in school and to learn from each other. Okay, the more you teach, the more you learn better. All right. So next week, there is a fan at my side. Okay. There is now. Next week, I won't do revision already. Go liao lah. Chapter 1, chapter 2 pa liao ma, your exam, right? I don't want to keep repeating. Okay, chapter 3 finished discussing already, right? So next week we will start chapter 4. Can? Even though your exam, but just listen lah. If you don't want to come for the class, it's fine. I understand you all got exam. You can get the recording from me. But I will still start chapter 4. 可以吗? Okay, please read all our latihan before your exams in Sentosa School and Taman Desa School. Okay, thank you, students. You may unmute yourself and have a good night rest.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Kenny. Bye-bye.
Kenny.
I just mock score, isn't it?